everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin Up. I wanted to share a few different ways to use this new Brusho Crystals. The stamp set that I'm using is Beautiful Day, and I went ahead and I heat embossed 2 of the flowers in each corner. So I have the Brusho Crystal, and I'm actually going to set one of these off to the side and just have one. And I have the Stampin' Spritzer, and I am just going to spritz my paper. And I have the Persian blue, and I'm just going to go ahead and tap a few taps. And then I have the yellow, and I'm going to go ahead and tap a few taps down in the bottom. Now, you're just going to let the water run and do its thing. I do have a bit too much water. So I'm going to grab a tissue and just pick up some of that excess water. And I'm going to set that off to the side and let it dry. I have my other piece. Let me move this away. I have my other piece. And I'm going to do this one slightly different. So I'm going to take the Brilliant Red, and I'm going to tap some Brilliant Red powder and actually put the powder there. I'm going to grab the yellow, and I'm going to do the yellow in this side. Now you can tap it, you can shake it. You can also add more holes to the top. Right now I only have 1 hole. So it depends. If you want, you can make bigger holes, but I've just kept one, one hole. Figured I'd just tap it more. So what you're going to do now is you are going to take your Stampin' Spritzer, and you are just going to spritz your paper. And as you can see, it gives you a different look. So depending on what kind of look you're going for, and then you can also let it dry in between and go back in. So if you're not happy with how the color turned out, you can also go back in, add more water, and play around with it until you get it to where you want it to be. So I'm going to come back and show you a couple of cards once these have dried that I've done using this Brusho Crystals. And thank you for stopping by. Have a great day. Take care.